Welcome everybody. Today I will be reviewing Marshall Acton III Bluetooth home speaker. Amazon links with the best price in the description, don't miss out. The Acton III is designed to deliver an immersive listening experience. With a re-engineered wider stereo soundstage, it offers a richer and more detailed audio profile. Whether you're listening to music, a podcast, or even a movie, the speaker's Marshall signature sound ensures a crisp, clear, and room-filling audio experience. Equipped with Bluetooth 5.2, the Acton III is future-proof. It's ready to embrace the next generation of Bluetooth features as they roll out, ensuring seamless connectivity and improved audio quality. Pairing is effortless, just pair your device, play your music, and enjoy without any complicated setup. Marshall takes a step towards sustainability with this speaker. The Acton III is PVC-free and crafted using 70% recycled plastic and vegan materials, making it a more environmentally friendly option. This approach doesn't compromise its premium build quality or aesthetics, maintaining the brand's classic and timeless design. Beyond Bluetooth, the Acton III also features a 3.5mm input, giving you multiple ways to connect your devices. Whether you want wireless convenience or a direct wired connection, this speaker accommodates your preferences effortlessly. Despite its compact size, the Acton III delivers an impressive 60 watts of power, making it perfect for small to medium-sized rooms. Its tabletop mount design ensures it fits seamlessly into any space, whether it's your living room, bedroom, or office. Marshall keeps it straightforward with tactile controls on the top panel. Adjust the volume, bass, and treble to suit your listening preferences. Its simplicity complements its powerful performance, ensuring a hassle-free user experience. If you're in the market for a compact, stylish, and powerful home speaker, the Marshall Acton III Bluetooth home speaker is a game-changer. Known for its iconic design and exceptional sound quality, this speaker takes the legacy of Marshall's audio craftsmanship to the next level. The Marshall Acton III Bluetooth home speaker is a perfect blend of style, performance, and sustainability. Whether you're a music enthusiast or just want a reliable speaker for your home, this model is an excellent investment. Its powerful sound, versatile connectivity, and iconic design make it a standout choice in the crowded Bluetooth speaker market. If you're ready to elevate your listening experience while embracing sustainable design, the Marshall Acton III is the speaker for you. Amazon links with the best price in the description, don't miss out.